All right, so you see the way Dangote group don't carry Fina's sister, carry and go drop for hospital, abandon her there. You understand? Next thing, they'll start being dodgy. It is their pattern. That's what they do. Now, take a look at this girl. Her name is Precious Olurotimi. She's a victim of Dangote reckless unlicensed drivers. Abi, 22 years old girl, graduate of Agricultural University in Abeokuta. When they crashed her, boom, she was rushed to the hospital. As usual, the driver, you know, go see them. If they can run, they'll run away. So, they took her to the hospital. Dangote people were called upon. The girl kept on crying. As you can see, this article says, after surviving crash involving Dangote trailer, Precious wants to live again. So she started crying, and then some people were sent from Dangote. Now, this is what they did. Team from Dangote group only came once to take my photograph, and that was it. This happened in 2021. They take the girl picture in the hospital, on the hospital bed, and that was it. They left the girl there. Till tomorrow, the girl have not seen them. That's number one. Number two, the other girl in Irua Hospital, this girl, where don't they breathe? Because of the, now from throat, now she they breathe. She not fit stand up peace. Just connect tube to all her body. She can move. She's practically a vegetable right now. Again, this one too is also 22 years old. The first one, that Precious, 22. This one, 22 years old. Students. Boom! This reckless unlicensed driver, boom, crushed her dream. They kept her there in the hospital, abandoned her there for 11 months before I go to that hospital, where government can say they go pay. Now, Fina's sister, it's still the same pattern. They want to abandon her there. All those things where they do it was because the media was talking about it. So they made Fina feel like, okay, yes, they want to do something, which is what they always do. Just the way they whine Fina, and so they whine Precious mama, and so they still take whine this girl mama when they live for 11 months. So it is their pattern. Why they are doing this, they don't want to take responsibility of employing cheap labors. That's what is going on. They don't want to take because if they know that if they take responsibility of this victim, how many more responsibility will they take care of? Because they know that the drivers that they employ are just cheap labors. They have a lot of trucks, so they don't want to pay for experienced drivers. So they get cheap labors. That is why in Edo State, in Auchi, one of the Baba, when I tell me park the Dangote truck, he has license that have expired. But now picking the drive, he was teaching his son how to drive the truck on the highway, on the federal road. So they don't want to employ experienced and licensed drivers, so they'll go for cheap labor. So they know that if they start compensating, if they start taking care of people that are victims of their reckless unlicensed driver, that means they will have to continue for a long time. So they will rather disco you to discourage any form of lawsuit or compensation. Now, in all of this, where is our judiciary? Nowhere to be found. Since where all these things they happen, imagine me Fina, they come they cry, she no get where to go. She dey cry online, and government agency never talk. Police no talk. Army no talk. DSS no talk. But during defamation, all these people go rush. Say you defame person. Oh, you defame one big man, they'll rush come. This girl have been crying. Nobody's saying anything. All the drivers where we catch for road, where they no get license. Road safety did not say anything. They are quiet. These people are driving on our road, our federal road, without license. They are crying. In all of this, may you say Nigeria not ready to get better. All the people where get social media platform, all the influencers where feel lend the voice, they are all quiet. You know why? Greed. Dangote is the richest man. Maybe there will be an opportunity one day where Dangote group, if you want to use them, do adverts. So they don't want to shut it down. But they claim that they want Nigeria to grow. But they can never lend their voice or lend their platform. I'm not trying to throw salt at anybody, but I know what I'm saying. Do you understand? So everything is pretty much shut up. But it is their pattern. But now, anyway, to sum this all up, I have Dangote, you are the richest man in Africa, the richest black man on earth right now, but that's in your pocket. That doesn't concern me, because I ain't feeding from you. And I'll just say the way it is. I never expect to get a penny from me in my life till I die. That one is standard, so I can tell you my mind. As a patriotic Nigerian, I will tell you what it is. Bros, Dangote group and Dangote himself, make anything not happen to Fina's sister. If that girl by mistake from this thing pass, lose her life, una go come understand. That's the only thing I can say. For all the people where they want, oh, Dangote is the richest man, Dangote is the richest man. That thing is just, it's a rich man thing where they do. Dangote is the richest man in his pocket. Go and check all the places where Dangote factory day. All the people there. People claim, oh, he employ labor. Which labor does he employ? Slaves? Check all the communities. Now, you're there for Okwila. You are in Okwila. You make billions every day. 4 billion, 3 billion every blessed day. Because you are using our limestone where they do cement. And which they cut that stone where they use. But the community where your factory there, they don't get light, they don't get water. Then what is your corporate social responsibility? What is the benefit that big factory is there in Okwila and you are using our limestone that is in large quantity in Okwila? In Kogi State again, what are the people benefiting in Obajana? What are they benefiting? Nothing. And again, your trucks now in the spoil road. Your trucks now in the by people because of accident. In all of this, that they worship you, you are a big man, you are a big man. What is, tell me today. May you go find people that work for Dangote, leave the ones that they on top. Find all the people, the normal staff, the regular staff. They are suffering, they are in abject poverty. Then if anything happened to you, you are on your own. I heard about a story of a man where the Dangote and this thing machine, whether they say cut your hand that being leg, now 80K they give him. In all of this. But yeah, he's the richest man in Africa. Blah, 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 blah. Road where your truck they use every day. You don't want to do it. What is that your corporate social responsibility? What is that? But like I said, peace. My home be say, make nothing do fina sister. As soon as I don't disco the girl. Of course, she's a woman. That's why when I use her head. I'm not even going to fault her. Yes, more lives say, okay, yes, she no come here. No, I'm not going to fault her. You people played with her brain. In order to cause distraction. Because you people saw that our voice was united. When I deceive him, she come. Okay, now don't disco. I go drop the girl for somewhere. This will not be like all those cases you people have been doing. In all honesty, I pray to God. I pray to God. May that girl no pass there, lose her life. She get Pekin. She get 2 Pekin. She have 2 kids. May God help all of us. So you all will learn. And this time now, learn the hard way. And also somebody, I saw one post one day where they say, VeryDarkMan is attacking Dangote because he's from the north. God will punish you. You know why God will punish you? When that flood in Borno happened, where your papa did. I know toxin and north, I go to create awareness. You know how many people donate that time when I go there? Plenty people went there. Was there an awareness for that? You know how many states I don't go for Nigeria? Where no be my state? This is the first time I'm going to Edo State to go do something. I don't go there. Tribalism don't finish now for you now. No fit talk true. But I don't blame you people until they come to your house. You no go ever understand. You no go understand. They say ambulance siren na noise when they come from another person home. Ambulance siren na noise when they come up from another person home. Nigeria, if you want this country to be good, forget what you want gain. Talk. That is the only way, because these politicians don't care, the senators don't care, the government don't care. But people don't understand these things. The influencers, I tell you, maybe Dangote if you won't call me for gig tomorrow. But irrelevant thing, oh, one girl, this thing, this one, that one. One girl said if men do this, one woman said if you do, you people will carry it. Bloggers controlled, media controlled. You got the puzzle. Where would you go for this country? Go hard to come out. Anyways, peace and love, don't play. If you play, you're going to learn and you will learn the hard way. Don't play.